Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Are you tired of watching your profits vanish with expensive ink cartridges? Do you dream of creating professional-grade heat transfers with vibrant colors and incredible detail, all from your home or small business? Get ready, because today we're looking at a game changer, the cartridge-free SuperTank printer with a DTF ink bundle. Let's talk about the biggest headache for any printer owner: ink costs. This unit is a true DTF conversion marvel, ditching wasteful cartridges for a revolutionary SuperTank system. Imagine this: no more fiddling with tiny cartridges, no more running out of ink mid-project. With the included DTF ink, refilling is an absolute dream. The easy fill bottles simply connect, and the ink flows into the tanks, stopping automatically when full. No squeezing, no mess, no stress. This isn't just about saving money, though you will save a lot. It's about seamless workflow and unlocking the true potential of direct-to-film printing for stunning heat transfers on everything from t-shirts to hoodies, in small, medium, or large sizes. This system even comes with auto color profile ink connection software, so you don't need extra drivers for perfect color accuracy right out of the box. That's pure creative freedom, without the usual printing headaches. But this isn't just a specialized DTF machine. It's a versatile powerhouse engineered for your entire printing business or creative studio. This is a true 3-in-1 device with wireless capabilities, meaning it doesn't just print. It copies, scans, and even handles your photo printing needs with ease. Think about the space you save, the convenience you gain. Need to quickly digitize a design for your next DTF transfer? Scan it directly. Want a quick copy of an order form? Done. With wireless connectivity, you can place this printer wherever it makes the most sense in your workspace, printing directly from your computer, tablet, or smartphone without being tethered. This level of integration and flexibility is crucial for any modern creative or business owner looking to streamline operations and maximize efficiency. It's about making your life simpler, so you can focus on what you do best: creating incredible products. Now, let's get down to what truly sets this printer apart, especially for DTF transfers: its print quality and speed. We're talking professional-grade results that will make your designs pop. With a maximum print resolution of 5760 by 1440 optimized DPI and minimum ink droplet sizes as small as 2 picolitres, your transfers will boast incredibly sharp lines, smooth gradients, and vibrant, true-to-life colors. This precision is absolutely critical for high-quality DTF printing, ensuring every detail of your artwork is captured perfectly. And you won't be waiting around all day either. With ISO print speeds of 15.8 ppm for black and 11.3 ppm for color, you can churn out transfers efficiently, meeting deadlines and growing your business without sacrificing quality. This isn't just a printer. It's an investment in the quality and speed that will elevate your brand and impress every single one of your customers. So, if you're serious about taking your heat transfer business or creative projects to the next level, while drastically cutting down on operational costs and enjoying unparalleled ease of use, this cartridge-free SuperTank DTF Conversion Printer is an absolute must-have. It's robust, efficient, and delivers stunning results every single time. Stop letting expensive ink cartridges and complicated setups hold you back. Ready to transform your creative vision into reality and boost your bottom line? You can find all the details and purchase links for this incredible DTF printer bundle right in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next deep dive. Unleash your creativity and elevate your craft today.